I combat your cinematic background. Music beat better, slow, heavy dumb heads, metal in the back, so fucking rumble, methodical rhythm. Times atmosphere, no matter the focus. Power for construction, side energy. Should've been for demolition and heavy machinery. Village, steady tempo, dramatic but realistic. No vocals. Measure beat, slow tempo, punchy drops. Great invested on beat. Everything that's till beat, slow tempo, punchy drops. Great invested on beat. Heavy gusto beat, slow tempo, punchy drops. Rhythm again a design heavy, strong impact moments sync with building collapse. Tempo, punchy drops. Great invested on beat. Heavy gusto beat, slow tempo, punchy drops. Rhythm again a